Pull the bonnet release handle, located in the driver's footwell. Release the safety catch and raise the bonnet. Lower the bonnet and close it securely. Remove the battery lid. Remove the terminal cover and undo the retaining bolt. Disconnect the negative terminal, positioning it away from the battery. Fit a terminal protector to the battery negative terminal. Pull the bonnet release handle, located in the driver's footwell. Release the safety catch and raise the bonnet. Lower the bonnet and close it securely. Lift the engine cover upwards and remove it from the vehicle. Alternator renewal. Undo the wiring connector and 3 retaining bolts and remove the air conditioning compressor from below the alternator. Do not disconnect the air conditioning pipes from the compressor. Move the compressor to one side and secure it in place under the vehicle with a cable tie or similar. Undo the cable support bracket nut, remove the protective plastic cap, unscrew and remove the nut, then disconnect the battery positive cable from the alternator terminal. Undo the lower and upper retaining bolts and maneuver the alternator from place, unplugging the wiring connector as you do so. Before fitting the alternator, it may be necessary to tap the sliding sleeve in the alternator housing back a couple of millimeters, so it can be refitted to the mounting bracket easier. Fit the alternator into position, securing the wiring connector. Fit the retaining bolts and tighten to the specified torque. Reconnect the battery positive cable and retaining nut. Refit the air conditioning compressor and tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the protector from the battery negative terminal. Reconnect the negative terminal clamp and tighten the retaining bolt. Refit the terminal cover and the battery lid. Place the engine cover into position and push it down to secure it to its mountings. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.